In this video, I'll show you how to use Afterpay at Walmart, a simple and flexible way to shop now and pay later, all without interest. If you're shopping online at walmart.com or in the Walmart app, start by adding your favorite items to the cart. When you're ready to check out, look for the Pay with Afterpay option during payment. It's usually listed under the other payment methods. Select it and you'll be redirected to the Afterpay website or app. If you already have an Afterpay account, just log in. If not, no worries. You can create one quickly, right then and there. Afterpay will ask you to confirm your purchase amount and set up your payment plan. With Afterpay, you can split your total into 4 equal payments, paid every 2 weeks. And best of all, there's no interest if you pay on time. Once approved, your order will go through and you'll get confirmation from Walmart. You'll receive payment reminders from Afterpay, so you never miss a payment. Just keep track of your due dates inside the app. And that's it. Using Afterpay at Walmart is super easy and gives you more control over your spending. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart shopping and payment tips. See you next time.